How's it going, everyone? My name is Neon and I'm back with another video on the channel. It's been a long time since I made a video here on the Neon channel for the car content. So the last time you would have saw me do this type of stuff was in the MG. I don't think I've ever done it in the Abarth yet. So the reason that did stop was because of the fact that the camera I had, which was a GoPro at the time, did end up breaking on me. But recently I did start to miss doing this type of thing, so I thought to myself, let's hope the camera isn't shaky here, by the way, because it's the first time I've done this in a long time. It might get a bit shaky on the bumps, but it should be okay, it should stabilise. I bought a microphone and a new camera so I could do this content again, and hopefully it's actually better quality than ever this time. What we're going to be doing is just driving to a really good spot there. Just a random bit of hay on the road. We're going to be driving to a good spot where I'm just going to do some no talking and just driving. I just thought I would do the talking part and some driving at the start here. But yeah, honestly, I still have the MG and I'm looking to do videos on that as well. But at the moment, we're driving the Abarth because the MG is currently dead. So, unfortunately, there's a lot that's went wrong with the MG recently, and I'll probably make a video on that talking about it. But hopefully she'll be back soon. Like, I can drive her fine, I just need to jump start the car, but more meaning like stuff to do with the car itself that's needing sorted. I'm really hoping the quality of this turns out really good, because it's been a while since I've done something like this, and the upgraded audio and setup I've got going here should be 10 times better than I had before. But yeah, now that I've got this set up, let me know in the comments down below what type of videos you want to see, because honestly at this point I don't really know. I'm just loving the point of recording myself driving, and I really want to know what type of content you guys want to see on the channel. Mate, the mountains in the background away over there look really, really cool. I don't know if the camera can even see that far. Oh, there's a tunnel, well, a bridge. Entering the motorway, there's a nice Porsche. So what I'm going to do is get to the start of the route where it's really fun to drive, and I'm going to go ahead and stop talking and just do like a POV ASMR type of video and see how that turns out with the audio. I thought it would kind of be cool and just see how fun that's going to be. But I might clean the windscreen in a second to make it a lot better. You know what, screw it, I will. Well, let this Fiat in. Go on, Fiat. I'm going to clean this. It might make it better for the camera to be able to see. People are probably like looking at me thinking I look so weird with this camera on my head, but oh well, it is what it is. Oh, that's beautiful. Really nice. So fun to drive. Anyway, we're nearly there, so what I'm going to do is pick up the video for when we do the just non-talking aspect of it in a fun drive, and let me know in the comments what you guys think of it. But yeah, please let me know what videos you want me to make, either on the Abarth or the MG. If you want to know any information about the Abarth or the MG, please let me know. Smack that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Okay, so let's take this microphone. How stupid do I look?